Good morning, Junior 5. Today we are talking about a new grammar lesson, if conditional. If conditional, we called it unreal condition, as the conditional sentence in if has two clauses. The first one is called if clause and the second one is called main and result clause. The first one, the if clause, which has the verb in the past simple, and the main clause we have to put would and the verb after it will be in the infinitive form. If I had the time, I would exercise more. So this if clause that has if, and the result of if you had time, you would exercise more. If they lived in the country, they would buy a house. If I had money, I would pay you. If you noticed, we have two sentences in if conditional. So the form of if conditional is if plus the verb in past simple. So the sentence that contains if or has if, you should put it should follow by a verb in past simple. Then the second one is the main clause. We should put the verb would plus the verb infinitive. At this example, if I had money, I would pay you. If you noticed here in conditional type 2, we use were instead of was with he and she and it and I. So as we knew that he and she and it and I in the past simple, we usually put was for the verb to be. But in if conditional, we will put were. Why we will put were? To express an opinion or to give an advice. So when you say, if I were older, I would drive my dad's car. If he were you, he wouldn't talk to Laura like that. These two sentences express advice here because he gave him an advice. So the important issue in if conditional that we know why we use the if conditional here, to show unreal or imaginary situation or for situations which are unlikely to happen in the present or future. It means that if you are dreaming or you are imagining things, so you're going to use if conditional. If I were a queen, I would live in a villa. So this is an important part here to know the usage of if conditional, because you have to know that you will use it because we are talking about unreal and imaginary situation. So if condition, we have to put the verb in the past simple with if, and the second sentence would and verb infinitive. Here, there is some small exercise about if condition. Number 1, if I reach my life change. So here we have if, and we said that after if the verb should be in the past simple. So be will be here where, because I takes where with if conditional. And my life would change. I would invite all my friends if I had time. If we had a yacht, we would sail the 7 seas. If they told their fathers, he were happy. We would help you if we knew how. My brother would buy a sports car if he had the money. If you not here, we put if in the end of the sentence, not at the beginning of it. So we can put if in the end of the sentence of the conditional. If they studied the word, they would spell it correctly. You will find these pages from page 13 till page 18, and please do page 16, 17, 18 as a homework for if conditional. Thank you.